Hey guys, it's Miss Cashin again. Now I'm going to show you how to use Seesaw on a tablet or a smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is download the app. So you're going to go to the App Store, then click Seesaw and press enter. Now there's a Seesaw parent and family that you don't want, but below it says Seesaw the Learning Journal, and that is what you want. So you'll download that, which I've already done. So I'm just going to hit open. Now you're going to click I'm a student. And then it'll say scan class QR code. We're not going to do that. Instead, you're going to type your text code into the box. So it'll look something like this. It'll be a 12-digit code that your teacher will give you. So once you've typed that in with the spaces, you're going to click go. And then you can decide whether or not you want to turn on notifications. And you can say, I think that you should probably turn them on, but that's up to you, depending on who else is using the phone or computer. So now you'll be able to see your assignments. In order to see, and this is Aza's account, but this is what yours will look like too. If you want to see what activities are due every day, you're just going to click activities, and that's the one in the middle, and you will see what is due. And then if you want to respond to an activity, you'll click that, and you can click. When you click an activity, you'll see what the assignment is, and then there are different ways that you can show it. So the easiest way is probably going to be to take a photo. You can click OK, so it can access the camera, and then you'll just take a photo of the work that you've been doing. So I'll pretend to do it right now. I'm going to take a photo, make sure that it's really clear. Once I've taken the photo, I can even circle something on it if I really want my teacher to check it, if I need to. So for example, if I was confused about this part, I could circle this and put a question mark, or I could even circle my answer if I have a lot of work on the paper. When I'm all done and I want to submit it to my teacher, I'm going to click that green X in the top right-hand corner. And then it'll tell me response submitted. And it will tell my teacher that I've submitted what I need to do. So every day, all you're going to need to do is go click activities and see what is awaiting response. That just means what are the activities my teacher assigned for me for that day. And you'll need to submit work in a photo, most likely for all 4 subjects. And then when you get this little guy, this is a great job, there's nothing left, then you're good to go for the day. All right.